Hi guys, welcome to a video on Valo Teamwork. In this video we are going to show you how to reinstate an archived team or site. First, go to your Teamwork admin site, go to the Groups tab, search for the group you want to unarchive, so you want to reinstate to a fully functional group or site. See archive groups here, and I want to reinstate the onboarding of Justin Brady. This one, onboarding, and click restore group. Are you sure you want to restore this group completely? Click restore and it's done. Thank you for watching.